got this trailer jack from Princess Auto like a year ago, or maybe last fall. And the weather's nice. I'm starting to come out of hibernation now, so I figure I might see if it'll fit on the front of the trailer that we did last year. So I think those are 5/8 or 16 millimeter, I'm not sure. Give me an excuse. Yeah, I never get to use these, but they'll give me an excuse to use this maybe. Giant ratchet wrench. Okay, I'm out here. This is the trailer that we converted from a boat trailer last year. So I want to put this trailer jack on the front because it doesn't have one, obviously, sitting on a brick. But it looks like it's gonna go, looks like it's about the right size. So I just gotta dig in here and see what hardware there is. And put the straps on the opposite side. I think I'm gonna put it on the driver's side here so it's more accessible to the driver. So these have different holes for different sizes. And the coupler I got here says 2x3, so this is either 2 or 3 inch square tube. But it looks like it's gonna fit. So I'm just gonna put the top bolts in first and then maybe that'll hold it. Yeah, it's supposed to be stuck in there. Let me see. This is the handle that goes on the crank here. And then you can pull this pin and rotate the whole thing. Pull the wheel down. Yeah, like that. Hit the ratchet and try over here. No, over here. Yeah? Go up, yep. Yep. Okay, now do the bottom one down here. The top one.
Oh, I'm taking that.
Wow, you jacked it all the way up, dude. I think the trailer jack is gonna work nice. It's a lot better than nothing at all, that's for sure. A lot better than sitting on a brick. Jax is putting a new taillight lens on because it got broke last fall. Replaced the taillight lens today. I didn't have to do much because Jax did most of it, thankfully. And we got the jack on the front, so that's way more gooder than a brick. Way better than sitting it on the ground. Yeah. And that is why you should keep your doors closed when you're going through the mud.